Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. My mom brought home some avocados, so today I'm gonna make avocado quesadilla. It's actually my first time doing it. Hope it turns out okay. These are the ingredients that we need to prepare for this avocado quesadilla. First, we wash the potato and peel it. Then we cut into cubes and steam until they are soft. Then we dice the tomato and the onion. Now we slice the avocado. After that, we cut the tortilla wrap into half. Next, we cut the cheese into strips. When the potato is done, we add a pinch of salt and mash the potatoes. Then we add in 4 to 5 slices of avocados. Mash them together. Now we can prepare our quesadilla. Place half piece of the tortilla wrap and spread the mashed potatoes and avocado evenly on the tortilla wrap. Then we top it with the diced tomatoes and onions. Then the sliced avocados, and the sliced cheese. After that, we cover it with the other half of the tortilla wrap. Toast for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Cut into halves, and it's ready to be served. It looks good. Let's try it. It actually tastes very good. Try at home and let me know, okay? Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.